Hey, great to see you again. Thanks for tuning in. What you see behind me is the Pleasure Isle by Sea Legend, which we're building here locally in-house right now. It's a great value for someone looking for that first pontoon or that new pontoon that can last them a really long time. So I want to start out by pointing out the things that I really like about it. What you'll see here, big 25-inch pontoon tubes and heavy-duty understructure, so the boat's going to be very sound, very well built. We're going to walk a little further back. You'll notice here the nice blue gate package and the decal system we have on it. No day at the lake would be great without a ladder to get in the lake, go for a quick swim with. So we do have the stainless steel swim ladder that's retractable here on the back. And we're going to pair these with Suzuki outboards, 9.9 horsepower, 25 horsepower, 50s and 90s. So great options here motor-wise. Why don't you come on aboard and I'll show you a couple other things that we really like about this boat. So as you take your first steps on, one thing you're really going to notice is this boat is spacious. It's 8.5 wide, it's 20 foot long, and it seats 10 people. So there's room for everyone and plenty of space to move. So if you have, baby strollers, wheelchairs, this is a real accessible boat. One thing I want to point out is we have a 34-inch front gate on this. So if you want to just push your stroller straight on, it's going to come over real easy, as well as most wheelchairs. So it makes a very accessible boat for anyone who wants to go with you. We have a very comfortable helm seat here, a Bluetooth stereo system, all the lighting and switches that you're going to need to make you safe after dark. And we're also going to have comfortable seating here in the front. Another thing I love about these Pleasure Isles by Sea Legend is they're very customizable. So maybe you want to fish and want 2 fishing seats and want to move these seats back. That's an option. Maybe you want a fishing station here and 2 bench seats over this way. Again, these are options. Since these aren't built quite yet, if you get in and talk with us, we can build you the ultimate affordable pontoon boat, which is what this model is. So if you are looking for something affordable, low payment, something that's going to keep, something easy to pay with the bank, really good bang for your buck here with a lot of quality and a lot to like about it. So if you want to kind of come in, talk about one of these, see what your options are, give us a call at 419-368-5951, or if you can check out this boat on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you soon.